tell money, I will show you this beautiful city. I am a student, I am 23, I study sociology on the very famous MARTOS Flóra University.
Hello, tourist.
On the right side,
Hello, tourist.
on the left side,
Hello, tourist.
on the right side,
Hello, tourist.
on the left side. This is called Danube, which is a river, and also a radio. That is a bridge, which is called land, and also one radio. To the right side, you can see the Budapest, which is one half of the city. To the left side, you can see the Pest and the Parliament of Hungary.
Hello, tourist.
On the right side,
Hello, tourist.
on the left side,
Hello, tourist.
on the right side,
Hello, tourist.
on the left side. Look at the hill, there is a castle. It was the old king's residency. We have no more kings because Hungary is a parliamentary democracy.
Hello, tourist.
On the right side,
Hello, tourist.
on the left side,
Hello, tourist.
on the right side,
Hello, tourist.
on the left side. I am sure you are tired now. You can to left now this ship happy. If you like the tour, you can give me now some Hungarian money. We will stop now. You can go to casino. Bye bye, arrivederci. I hope you enjoy the sightseeing tour. Auf Wiedersehen, bon nuit.
Hello, tourist.
On the right side,
Hello, tourist.
on the yesterday, but it's an old